What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with me and giving me that quality time. I've got an unboxing for you today from a company that has never been on this channel before, and it's a first for me. I've never used it. It's VOODOO Menscraft Beard Company. Used to be a reviewer kind of on Instagram, then bought into this VOODOO Menscraft and started making some amazing products from what I've heard. If you would, like, subscribe, and leave some comments for me if you've used this company before and what you think. So enjoy the intro, and then we'll start ripping and tearing into this this package I got here for you. All right, let's go on a journey. You ready?
I'm going to style and profile for you for about 30 seconds.
I have 3 oils, 3 butters, and some soaps. Let's go over the soaps first. They're not a big bar of soap. They're a 2 ounce. Come in these nice little boxes. These soaps are for beard and body. So you're good with either way. One stop. And I love soaps like that. All natural. Oh, and they smell amazing, of course. I'm going to love those. What I'm going to do with these, all 4 of these, well, I may keep one out for now, but I'm going to vacuum seal the other 3 up. I've got 1 bar of soap that I'm halfway done with. But these are not labeled. But I got 4 of them. The other one's sitting down there with a label. Mad Jam and GBP. They are all a fruit scent profile to them, and they smell amazing, and they're soft after touching that. The 3 oils I got here. Let me do this real quick. Let me stop here. Give a little shout out to the company real quick. Alex is the owner. Alex used to actually do reviews on Instagram, blue collar reviews, I think it was. And then dove into this VOODOO Menscraft and started getting involved. And I think he's half owner of it. Which is cool. I love that kind of a story. And that's why I do this. I love to help support small batch communities, but also, guys, it's looking for that holy grail, that 1 scent profile that you absolutely love and that you put on your use daily shelf and you use it every day and get these, just share them with people. Plus, feeling beard is absolutely important. They give you a cool little letter here, which is basically, you can never show those who support you enough appreciation. We thank you, the new customer. We appreciate the veteran supporter. God bless America. I love that. And we're thankful to those who help spread the word. We're a small business and a new player in the beard care game. We hope that our products live up to your expectations, and we can't express our gratitude enough to each and every one of you who have trusted us enough to try. Your continued support is everything to us as we grow as a company and a business. We hope that you'll be right there with us. If there's anything that we can do to make your customer experience better, please reach out to the company, DM them on Instagram or email them at voodoo-menscraft@yahoo.com. Jeremy and Alex are the owners, and love from their crew. So follow them on Instagram. That's the best way to do it. VOODOO Menscraft. And see what they got going on. Go give them some love. Go check them out. And a cool little sticker that I will probably put on a water bottle, of course. Doesn't take up too much real estate. Space hops. So the oils and the butters that I got, let's just start here. We'll go Tobacco Dreamin', Pariah, and I picked Corleone. Now, here's the bottle. It is a 50% emu oil. Great labels, waterproof, all of the information on back and the profile. But let me tell you what's in it first of all. 50% emu oil, apricot oil, almond oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E oil. My dogs are being ruthless out there at the door. They want in, but they ain't getting in. So, Tobacco Dreamin'. It is tobacco bay leaf, oud tobacco, pipe tobacco, sweet tobacco, Cuban tobacco, smoked leather, and smoked vanilla. It's got the restrictor top. Oh my gosh. Wow. That smells so good. Put some of the oil on there so we can sniff it up for you. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Whew. I'm going to love that one. Wow. The smokiness, the sweetness, the tobacco. Oh, that's amazing. Very loud profile, guys. Very loud. And they're 1 ounce little butters that they have. They're little tins. Very nice. Very soft. No difference. No difference from the oil. That smells good. Thumbs up on that one, y'all. Intoxicating. Wow. Now we're going to go with Corleone. Great labels. This one is patchouli, cedar, oud, grapefruit, cocoa butter, and cashmere. Oh, wow. That patchouli makes my mouth water. Let me put a little dab on here. Get you some sniffing on this one. Whew. That's amazing too. Wow. I love that. That is a bright, the patchouli is right off the front, but then you get the cedar. The grapefruit really makes it bright. And that fruit note to it, real bright. The cocoa butter. I don't really get that right off the back, but then there's that cashmere. It's a very, what would I say? It's an exotic smell, a very cologne-y, bright, fresh cologne scent profile. I love that. There's another great one. Wow. You guys are, Alex, you did good, sir. 2 out of 2. And I can tell that's going to be amazing feeling in Beard too. With their butter. And then last but not least, it's Pariah. So Pariah is citrus, sea salt, driftwood, persimmon, calamansi, white musk, and Armani Code. Pariah. Oh, yeah. Get that up here. My Lord, just the smell of it in here. These are very loud profiles that I know that are just going to last. Oh, I get a cologne, bright. I get that sea salt, the citrus. Oh, the musky. Oh, that is amazing. Think of the beach. Very clean, very crisp air hitting you when you're wearing a nice cologne on there. Wow. No, I like it, guys. I'm telling you, my first impressions of this company is right up my alley. Very loud profiles, intoxicating profiles. They are all three. They're different profiles. You got your sweet, smoky, deep, bright, rich, fruity, tropical, manly, Wow. Now the smokiness in that Tobacco Dreamin' is starting to open up. I'm loving this so far because of how they're opening up, especially that one right there. After what, a couple of minutes? That one is a smooth, intoxicating cologne. This one is a cologne out by the ocean, seaside, sea salt. I just can't say enough. Guys, my first impressions on this company, first time using it, I love what they say. I love their scent profiles. I can't wait to slap them in beard. I'll go ahead and use these and have a follow-up and tell you what I really think when they really open up into the beard. But that's what I've got for you. Go check them out. Go see some profiles. But I am happy, absolutely happy to try this company for the first time and be blown away. This is why I love to review. This is what it's all about. If you've tried this company, tell me what you think about it. Tell me about the other profiles that I don't have yet, but I'm gonna really soon. And that's what I got for you. Just wanted to share my experience. Hope this wasn't too long. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody that you're proud of them. Go give some forgiveness. Go ask somebody for forgiveness. Reach out to this company and tell me what you think. Cribs is out, y'all.